Hi friends! Grab your paper and drawing supplies. We're going to be making a tiger who's ready for summer. We'll be using our paper horizontally, and I want to imagine that the tiger is filling the center of the paper and leave enough space for the ears up top. Start with your choice of sunglasses. I'm going to make mine in the shape of a heart today. We're going to double up that line to make the frame of the glasses. And connect them in the center. This is the part that sits on your nose. We're going to place the nose directly in the center. Begin with a rounded line like a rainbow. Create the nose inside that shape with a letter U. Add a small stick directly below the nose, and then add your mouth. The mouth could be closed or open. Maybe we see some teeth or a tongue. It's your choice. I'm coloring in the space between the teeth and the tongue. You can do that later if you want. Before I draw the rest of the tiger's face, I like to imagine the entire head. It would be a circle with two pointy triangles. That means I'm going to need to draw another letter U underneath the mouth to begin finishing off the tiger's head. Next, I want to add some tufts of fur on each side. I'm starting next to the glasses and I'm bringing out some sharp points. And repeat on the other side. Next, we'll add two little rectangles on the outside of the glasses. This would be the part where they connect to the arms that go behind the ears. I'm going to bring the head up a small amount on each side before adding the ears. Two pointy triangles on each side. You can repeat those triangles on the inside of the ear if you like. I'm going to connect the two ears with a wavy line. Now we can start to add the stripes and color in the areas that will be black. There are lots of different ways to make your sunglasses unique. You can color in the lenses, or you could make shutter shades using horizontal lines. This tiger's ready for color. I hope you had fun drawing today.